Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, March 25th, 2021. It is Think About It Thursday. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Be someone's sunshine today. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today we will have breakfast, and for lunch we'll have pizza. We will have breakfast tomorrow, and for lunch we'll have fish on a bun. Our birthdays today are Brianna Moore, Austin Travis, and Jasper Beard. Happy birthday! We have a couple of announcements. Not our third graders will not be testing today, but our fourth graders will be testing this morning, and a few third graders. So a few third graders and a few second graders and some fourth graders will be testing today this morning. So please make sure you are quiet still around the computer lab and the collab lab. Also, time is ticking to spend your allocation money, so make sure you are working on that. Late duty today is Miss Hogan, and tomorrow is Miss White. Today we have PST during extended PE. Tomorrow is the end of our third quarter. On the 29th, grades are due to get those report cards out. Following that, we have spring break. Then on April 16th, we have spring pictures. And at the end of April, we will be concluding our summative ACAP testing. Our ACAP PEP partners have been cheering on our third and fourth graders as they test this week. Fifth grade's testing will be coming up next week, so I know second grade's getting ready for that. And today we have a special treat for our testing friends. Our first grade sweet precious friends decided to cheer their people on, and so here we have a little song, a little chant from them. So here we go. All right, awesome job for those first grade friends. Super sweet of them. Our word of the day is less than. Less than is used to compare two numbers when the first number is smaller than the second number. So if we were comparing this 3 and the 5, and the 3 is first, we would say the 3 is less than the 5. That is our word of the day. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.